Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade barbecue sauce with ketchup. Start by gathering 8 ingredients in a medium saucepan and measure with accuracy. Use 1 cup ketchup, 2 tablespoon vinegar, 3 tablespoon brown sugar, and spices to taste. Heat gently and whisk to dissolve sugar. Simmer 10 to 15 minutes until thickened, then cool and store in a jar. Share this with friends for easy grilling success. Collect simple pantry staples to make this sauce fast and satisfying. Measure ingredients precisely and have a whisk and small saucepan ready. Combine ketchup, brown sugar, vinegar, smoked paprika, mustard, garlic powder, Worcestershire, and cayenne in the pan. Stir over low heat until sugar dissolves and flavors marry. Taste halfway and tweak sweetness or heat. When it reaches a glossy, pourable texture, remove from heat and let cool before bottling. Start by whisking all ingredients together in a saucepan to form a smooth mix. Keep the heat low and stir often so nothing sticks or burns. Once simmering, let it bubble gently for 10 to 15 minutes to reduce and concentrate flavors. Taste and adjust with vinegar, sugar, or cayenne as needed. After cooking, cool slightly, transfer to a clean jar, and chill before serving on ribs, burgers, or grilled veggies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.